be close. Back here, I'll take that. Mm-hmm.